The Lighting X Plasma Waterproof Rechargeable Lighter is a highly durable, reliable, and innovative lighter designed for outdoor survival, adventure, and emergency preparedness. It uses plasma arc technology instead of traditional flame, making it more reliable in various weather conditions. Here's a detailed breakdown of what makes this lighter stand out and how it can help in survival situations. Key features of the Lighting X Plasma Waterproof Rechargeable Lighter. 1. Plasma arc technology. Flameless design. Unlike traditional butane or gas lighters, the Lighting X uses plasma arcs to create heat. Plasma lighters generate an electric arc between two or more electrodes, which is hot enough to ignite materials instantly. Windproof and stormproof. Since there's no open flame, the plasma arc is unaffected by wind, rain, or even snow, making it much more reliable than standard lighters in extreme weather conditions. Reliable ignition. The plasma arc lights up instantly, even in challenging environments, such as high altitudes or damp conditions, where traditional lighters struggle. 2. Waterproof and durable construction. Fully sealed design. The Lighting X lighter is waterproof, with a rugged casing that protects it from water damage. It can be submerged in water and still function perfectly once dry, making it ideal for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, fishing, and survival situations where moisture is a factor. Shockproof and impact-resistant. The tough exterior ensures that the lighter can withstand drops, impacts, and rough handling without losing functionality. This durability makes it a reliable tool for wilderness survival or emergency situations where your gear needs to be tough. 3. Rechargeable via USB. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. Since it doesn't rely on fuel like butane or gas, the Lighting X is rechargeable via USB. This feature eliminates the need for buying and carrying lighter fluid or disposable lighters, reducing waste and ongoing costs. Multiple ignitions on a single charge. Depending on the model, a fully charged battery can provide hundreds of ignitions before needing to be recharged. This long-lasting power supply ensures that the lighter will be ready to use over extended periods of time in the field. Rechargeable anywhere. You can recharge the lighter using any USB-compatible device, such as a power bank, solar charger, or even a laptop, making it versatile for long-term use in the wilderness. 4. Compact and lightweight. Portable design. The Lighting X lighter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket, backpack, or survival kit. Its portability ensures it doesn't take up much space while providing significant utility. Easy to carry lanyard or clip. Some models include a lanyard or carabiner clip, allowing you to attach the lighter to your gear for quick access during outdoor activities or emergencies. Survival benefits of the Lighting X Plasma Lighter. 1. Ignition in harsh weather conditions. Wind and rainproof performance. In survival situations, starting a fire can be crucial for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. The Lighting X excels in harsh conditions, providing consistent ignition in environments where regular lighters and matches would fail. No need for dry conditions. Since the plasma arc is unaffected by moisture, you don't need perfectly dry tinder to start a fire. It can ignite damp materials much more easily than traditional methods. 2. Multifunctional use. Fire starting. The lighter is designed to ignite anything from paper, dry leaves, and twigs, to gas stoves, candles, and campfires. Its ability to instantly generate heat makes it an essential tool for fire starting. Emergency signal. In a survival situation, you can use the plasma arc's bright, concentrated light as an emergency signal or as a temporary light source in low-visibility environments. Self-defense utility. Although the primary purpose is fire starting, the high-heat plasma arc could be used for self-defense in an emergency, as the electric arc can deter potential threats with its powerful visual effect. 3. Long-term survival and preparedness. Fuel-free operation. In a long-term survival scenario, access to fuel can become difficult. The rechargeable nature of the Lighting X lighter ensures that you won't run out of fuel as long as you have access to a power source. This can be crucial for extended outdoor excursions, wilderness survival, or emergency prepping. Sustainable power options. With the rise of portable solar chargers and other renewable power sources, the Lighting X lighter can be recharged off-grid, making it sustainable for long-term use in the wild. 4. Safe and easy to use. Child safety features. Many plasma lighters, including the Lighting X, come with safety features to prevent accidental ignition, such as a lock button or lid that covers the electrodes when not in use. This helps prevent accidents, especially in environments where children are present. Instant on-off. The plasma arc only activates when the user presses a button, providing greater control over its use and reducing the risk of accidental burns. Once the button is released, the arc turns off immediately, unlike traditional lighters that may have a lingering flame. 5. Eco-friendly and long-lasting. No harmful emissions. Unlike butane lighters that release toxic gases, plasma lighters produce no emissions, making them safer for the environment and for personal use, especially in enclosed spaces. Longevity. The Lighting X is built to last. With a sturdy build and rechargeable design, you can expect it to serve you through many survival situations without needing replacement. Conclusion. The Lighting X Plasma Waterproof Rechargeable Lighter is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor or survival kit. Its windproof, waterproof, and rechargeable features make it far more reliable than traditional lighters or matches, especially in extreme conditions. Whether you're hiking, camping, or preparing for emergencies, the Lighting X provides a versatile and durable solution for fire starting, ensuring that you can always ignite a fire when needed, regardless of the environment. Its compact, eco-friendly design, combined with long-lasting battery life, makes it a practical and sustainable choice for adventurers and survivalists alike. Link below. Check description. The products link is in the description box if you want to purchase the products. Thanks for watching.